Hey everyone, anyone doing any form of programming is probably aware of the if statement. So in this statement, we will learn if we have a certain set of conditions we want to evaluate using DAX, how do we do that? So we'll use if for that. And I'll go here. I've got the fact internet sales table open here with me. And this file is also uploaded to GitHub, so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me should you wish to do that. So with this one, I'll just click on, so let's say I want to find, let me just scroll to the right, and I've got ship dates, and I want to find all the ship dates which fall on the last day of the month, for example. So all I can do is, I'll just go here and say new column, and I'll just go and pick up some DAX which I'd already written, and I'll take you through that. So I'll just copy paste that here. So you can see, all I'm calling it out is I'm naming it as end of month ship date, and I'm saying if the ship date is equal to, and then I'm saying end of month for a ship date. So it gives me the date, which is the end of month for that particular date. So the moment the ship date equals the ship date is equal to the end of month date, it will give us that this is end of month ship date, otherwise not. So for example, if your ship date is, let's say 28th of February 2020, so it'll evaluate that, and that will be equal to the same or the same as the end of month date, otherwise it will not be. So 1st of February, when we do an end of month here, it will not give us, they will not be equal. So I'll just hit enter, and you'll see in a moment what I mean. So you can see here that the expression has been evaluated and it says not end of month ship date. So you look at it, ship date is 4th of Feb. Now let's filter it out and see what end of month ship date, and hit OK. And you can, if you scroll to the right, you can see that 28th of the Feb is end of month. Similarly, 30th of November, 31st of Jan, and so on and so forth. So essentially, we've used if to evaluate a condition here, and based on the output of that condition, we either set a value. So in this video, we've learned how to use the if clause, which is available with DAX in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.